belongs to a very small village called Konoma. We are about 3,000 population only, with a covering of like 28 square kilometer. Now we have a tradition of cutting of firewoods, because back then there is not much use of cooking gases. Therefore, when we used to be young at like 9, 10 years of age, I can imaginably see my forest being cut off for logging and for firewoods. Now, after 25 years of evolutions with my village people initiatives, I can see almost 95% of greenery in my village covered. And that is being initiated by village people alone. So if a very small village of 3,000 people can initiate to protect an environment like this, why not us? Now, when I compare with this phenomena with my campus in LNIP and ERC, I happen to be a founding member of this institution. It came with lots of challenges back in 2010. This whole area was not covered with forests or trees. It was like a grazing places for village cattle. Therefore, all the trees that you can see around here are planted by either us or some other faculty members. So I can proudly say that so far as I go, at least we have initiated something. So to relate with these things, now you may be a student here for a couple of years, but you are going to be an ambassador somewhere else tomorrow. So wherever you go, you can be a messenger for that. Now, one significant example that we can also relate with my campus is the water table is decreasing, and therefore the problems that you are facing sometimes at hostels may be because of lack of water, or maybe like carelessness of using of water. Now, it is not the workers that is not supplying water to you sometimes, but it is because of the scarcity of water, underground water that couldn't provide you sometimes. Therefore, you should be part of the solution for this. So with this message, I once again congratulate all the organizing team, especially Dr. Pulendas and all the NCC unit members, that we are having a very meaningful seminar today that is going to impact every single individual of us. Therefore, with this, let us take an oath so that we can shoulder the responsibility of the challenges that every single citizen of this globe is going to face. Thank you so much.